We're here at the Pocono Pistol Range. We're an indoor pistol range facility. We do classes, education. We rent firearms. People can bring all their own equipment, walk in with everything, or walk in with absolutely nothing, and we have a setup to be able to let them come in and shoot.
I like this. Nice.
Safety here is probably our highest priority. An indoor facility offers very unique challenges, and because of that, we take safety very seriously here.
A couple on. Okay.
MVP is good too.
We could take a beginner who's never fired a pistol before, teach them the basics, the fundamentals, safety, and progress that person all the way up through advanced shooting techniques like in-home personal protection, which is a class offered through the NRA.